Have you ever noticed how the way you speak to yourself changes everything? Think about it. When something goes wrong, what's the first thing you tell yourself? I can't do this. I'm not good enough. Maybe I'm just not meant for success. The scary part is, your mind listens. The words you repeat every day slowly become the beliefs you carry. And those beliefs begin to shape your decisions, your habits, and eventually, your future. So today, let's talk about the power of positive thinking. Not the kind that tells you to ignore your problems, but the kind that helps you face them with courage. Because positive thinking isn't pretending life is perfect. It's believing that even when life is difficult, you still have the strength to keep moving. Life will disappoint you, people will leave, plans will fail, you'll have days when nothing seems to go your way. But your mindset decides whether those moments become your ending or your beginning. So here's something most people don't realize. The story you tell yourself matters. If you keep saying, I'm a failure, your mind starts looking for proof that it's true. But if you say, I'm still learning, I'll get better, I haven't succeeded yet, your mind starts looking for solutions instead of excuses. The situation hasn't changed, only your perspective has. And sometimes, that's where change begins. Now, here's where many people get stuck. They wait to feel motivated. They tell themselves, I'll start tomorrow. I'll start when I feel confident. I'll start when the timing is perfect. But the truth is, motivation doesn't come first. Action does. The first workout feels hard. The first page feels boring. The first video feels awkward. The first business idea feels scary. But every step you take builds confidence. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you earn by showing up again and again. There's another habit that's quietly stealing our happiness: comparison. Every day we scroll through social media, we see vacations, luxury cars, perfect relationships, big achievements. And without realizing it, we start comparing our behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. What we don't see are the failures, the sleepless nights, the rejections, the sacrifices. Everyone is fighting a battle you know nothing about, so stop measuring your progress with someone else's timeline. Your journey is yours, and that's enough. Now, let me tell you something that changed the way I think. Big success is rarely built in one day. It's built in the small choices nobody notices. Reading 10 pages, studying for 30 minutes, saving a little money, going for a walk, choosing discipline over excuses. Those tiny actions may not feel important today, but repeated every day, they become extraordinary. People often overestimate what they can do in 1 week and underestimate what they can do in 1 year. So don't chase perfection. Chase consistency. Because consistency always beats intensity. And before this video ends, I want you to remember one thing. Your mind is like a garden. If you keep planting doubt, you'll grow fear. If you plant hope, discipline, gratitude, and belief, you'll slowly build a life that reflects those choices. Positive thinking isn't magic. It won't solve every problem overnight, but it will help you see opportunities where fear only sees obstacles. It will help you keep going when quitting feels easier. And sometimes, that's all you need. One more step, one more try, one more day. Because your future isn't decided by one perfect moment. It's created by the choices you make every single day. So believe in yourself, work hard, stay patient, keep learning, and never stop growing. Because the life you dream about is built by the mindset you choose today. If this message helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you'd like more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care of your mind. Your future starts there.